The best and worst homemade whipped cream alternatives. Tired of the same old whipped cream? Let's explore delicious and surprising alternatives that will elevate your desserts. Traditional whipped cream is fantastic, but it's not always the best choice. Dietary restrictions, like veganism or lactose intolerance, can make it off-limits. Sometimes you might just want a different flavor profile or a lighter option. Plus, some alternatives hold their shape better than dairy whipped cream. Coconut cream is a fantastic vegan alternative. When chilled, the thick cream separates from the watery liquid, creating the perfect base. Whip it up with a little sweetener and vanilla for a rich, decadent topping. It's surprisingly similar to dairy whipped cream. Cashew cream is another excellent vegan option. Soak raw cashews in hot water until softened. Blend them until completely smooth, adding water as needed. Sweeten and flavor as desired for a creamy, dreamy topping. Aquafaba, the liquid from canned chickpeas, is a magical ingredient. It whips up into a meringue-like consistency. Add sugar and flavorings, and you'll have a light and airy vegan whipped cream. It's a great way to reduce food waste. Silken tofu, when blended properly, can create a smooth and stable whipped topping. Be sure to use silken tofu, not firm or extra firm. Blend it with sweetener, vanilla, and a touch of lemon juice. It's a protein-packed alternative that's surprisingly delicious. Greek yogurt offers a tangy and healthy alternative. It's lower in fat and higher in protein than traditional whipped cream. Whip it with a little honey or maple syrup for sweetness. It's perfect for topping fruit or adding a dollop to your morning oatmeal. Mascarpone cheese is an Italian cream cheese that's incredibly rich. It whips up beautifully and adds a luxurious touch to desserts. Sweeten it with powdered sugar and a splash of vanilla extract. It's perfect for tiramisu or topping a slice of chocolate cake. Some alternatives might not live up to the hype. They might be difficult to work with or have an undesirable flavor. Let's explore some options that are best avoided or used with careful consideration. While delicious as a frozen dessert, blended frozen bananas don't quite replicate whipped cream. The texture is more like soft-serve ice cream. It's a great healthy treat, but not a direct substitute. It lacks the airy lightness of whipped cream. Avocado can be used to create a creamy texture, but the flavor is very distinct. It's not always the best choice for sweet desserts. It might work in certain applications, like topping a chocolate avocado mousse, but it's generally not a crowd pleaser as a whipped cream alternative. Many store-bought vegan whipped toppings contain artificial ingredients and stabilizers. They might not be the healthiest or tastiest option. Always read the labels carefully and choose brands with simple, natural ingredients. Homemade is often better. The best way to find your favorite whipped cream alternative is to experiment. Try different recipes and flavor combinations. Don't be afraid to get creative and adapt recipes to your own taste. You might discover a new favorite topping. Now that you know the best and worst homemade whipped cream alternatives, it's time to get cooking. Try one of these recipes today and share your creations with us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and baking tips.